I'll go with everybody. What's going on? I'm talking to myself. What's going on? Shit, in the middle of fucking nowhere, that's what's going on. Hapeville ain't shit. You know what I thought when I got off the exit? Nothing. You know what I thought when I turned the corner? Nothing. Exactly. I saw a hotel. This is where you bring your side bitch to. Out here. Or if you want to bring your ex out here and kill her, they'll never find her. You see airplanes, but you don't know where the fuck they going. You like, where the fuck am I? But, shit, I'm happy to be out here. Who out here on dates? Anybody? You want a date? You want a date? That's your girl? I ain't know. He pointed at you. Shit, I took my girl on a date the other day, man. My first date in years. Shit, she yeah, my first date in years. I took her to this 5-star establishment. I was like, yeah, we about to get it. It was a brick house. So it was my house, but shit, it's too expensive to go out and eat today. Shit, I'm cooking. Y'all gonna talk to her about that, man? Birthday girl? How? What am I cooking? Angela, what you talking about? Oh, okay. But shit, where was I? Shit. Fried chicken and mashed potatoes? Stop, you making me hungry. You making me hungry. Quick house? Okay, yeah, I cook for my girlfriend. Shit, it's too expensive to go out and eat. When was it? I can have 2 girlfriends, ain't nothing wrong with that, but shit, I'm trying to take her to Red Lobster. You know Red Lobster? I threw the Red Lobster shit. I cut the lobster page out the book. I'm like, bitch, you ain't about to get this. It's too expensive for this shit. But y'all looking nice out here. How you doing, sir? I saw y'all tearing it up. She's sweating like you been dancing all night, ain't she? You sweating like you been dancing all night. Shit, y'all running in the tables out here doing the Dougie shit. Just damn, shit. I thought you tearing it up too. That was you. I thought you. She running into the stage and shit like, yeah, I'm about to get it. I'm about to kill it. I'm about to shit. You did a great job, baby. You got rhythm. You got rhythm. I love it. You got rhythm. But man, you fresh. I like it. But I went to Walmart the other day. Walmart is where you go when you ain't got no hope for the humanity. You just go see fucked up people. Like that fat lady that's always on that cart riding through. The wheels be screaming. You like, bitch, where are you going? Going 3 miles an hour. All her fat hanging off the side.
Excuse me, bro.
Shit, I be going to Walmart getting them hover around, just turning corners, running into little kids. The weirdest shit happened to me at Walmart. This guy walked up to me. I'm using the bathroom. He walked past 10 stalls and came to use the bathroom with me and said some stupid shit. I'm paying. He walked up to me like, you ain't been drinking water, have you? I'm like, why are you looking at my dick? Why are you looking at my dick? I don't want to tell you I ain't been drinking water. Shit, my piss is yellow though. My piss was like Sunday Delight in this bitch. I ain't been drinking. Yeah. Shit's deadly. But I'm going to get on out of here. This is my 2 minutes. This is my fourth time performance, so I'm kind of a new comic on the scene. So y'all look out for me. My name Marlo.